friends, do you know the amount of interest you pay on a home loan is more than the home loan principal itself? Which means for a 50 lakh loan taken at the rate of 8.5% for a 20-year tenure, you end up paying 54 lakh as interest. 54 lakh of interest for a home loan of 50 lakh rupees, friends. Is it not a painful thing to see this large amount of money going down the drain? This 54 lakh could be someone's lifetime earning. This could fund someone's future education or marriage, or could become part of retirement planning corpus. All of us have dreams and aspirations to have our own homes, and we are compelled to take loans. But this does not mean that we can afford to lose the entire amount of interest what we are paying in 20 years' time. In this case, 54 lakh is really very, very painful. But have you ever questioned whether this amount can be recovered at all? Have you ever tried checking whether we can recover a part of the interest what we have paid? My friends, if you ask question, a solution will emerge. And friends, this is a great news that there is a solution available. My name is Mohan Raj. I am a certified financial planner, and today I am going to share a secret how by investing a small amount in a SIP you can recover the entire home loan interest in 20 years' time. Yes, my dear friends, you can recover the entire home loan interest what you have paid in 20 years. But solution is simple, but requires a lot of discipline. How to go about? This solution is called EMISIP. I have named it as EMISIP. It's a combination of EMI and SIP. Whenever you are signing an agreement for a home loan, you have to parallelly start an SIP for the same tenure. Which means if you have taken a home loan for 20 years tenure, in this case, you will be parallelly starting with a SIP for an amount of 8,000 rupees. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, friends. Here we are taking two types of action. One is we have started an EMI, and number two, we have started a SIP parallelly. EMI is going to cost you interest, and this will be paid across 20 years' time. And this SIP is going to do the wealth creation part, and it is going to give you good corpus end of the period. The power of compounding is something which many of us not have experienced. The power of compounding is going to be the savior for all of us. For an 8,000 rupee SIP done for a 20-year period in an equity mutual fund, if it delivers 12% annually compounded rate, it is going to create a corpus of 74 lakhs, friends. 74 lakhs with an SIP of 8,000. Is it not a wonderful thing to happen? And this 74 lakh of rupees is going to help you recover your entire cost of your home loan interest, which is 54 lakhs. And this additional 20 lakh is going to help you recover the SIP amount what you have paid in 20 years. From a 54 lakh negative to a 74 lakh positive, is it not a great thing to happen? So we have to take a wiser decision, and we have to start taking action, friends. So this way, you can not only recover your interest part completely, and you can be financially free, friends. So it's time that you start pulling out your home loan statements and have a look at it. What is the amount of home loan you have taken? What is the tenure you have paid so far? What is the interest balance? And how much is the principal balance in your home loan account? So you have to start taking action, friends. We have seen how we can recover the entire interest cost what we have paid on our home loan just by investing a small amount in an SIP. So similarly, lot of solutions are available today. But you need to ask the question. You need to come with a problem area which needs to be addressed. We cannot leave the complete thing on our fate and keep continuing to go through the agony. Money can be earned, but wealth has to be created. Success in financial life is not measured by amount of money you earn in your lifetime. It is measured by how much amount of money you save, invest, and make it grow so that you are able to achieve financial freedom. Friends, we will be coming out with lot of such interesting videos in future which will help you to take important decisions in your financial path. So stay tuned. Till such time, bye from Mohan Raj. Have a nice day.